all the way, using our whole body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna breathe in through our nose, and then we're gonna breathe out of our mouth. All right, in through your nose, out of the mouth. Make sure you're not spitting spinach all over everybody and all that kind of stuff, and your breath don't smell like onions. We're gonna breathe in and out, in through the nose and out of the mouth. All right, everybody sit up nice and tall, like you're sitting up in the front seat. And we're gonna breathe all the way down into our belly. The belly is gonna rise just like a big balloon, just like that. Fill it up with oxygen, fill it up with calm, fill it up with peace. And then as we exhale, the belly is gonna collapse and we breathe out of the mouth, nice and slow. Thank you. Hey, everybody, shout out Ms. Cooper. We're gonna breathe in through the nose. Good. And then exhale, breathe out of the mouth. Let's do it 2 more times. Big inhale here, breathe in through the nose. And breathe out of the mouth. Last one, just breathe with me. Big inhale, everybody breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. And then breathe out. Yeah. Feeling just a little bit more relaxed and a little bit more here, right now in the moment.